लोकसभा चंबारिनो कितिंगै वेस्ट त्रिपुरा लोकसभानि रिटार्निंग अफिसारनि साक्थार मुंबाय ChasaloAgartala टाउन हलनागो इलेक्शननि माइक्रो अब्जार्भार्स रकन'त्विoi खलाइजाखा KaisaTranning प्रोग्राम मानजाखा जेनेरेल अब्जार्भार विवेक एल बिमान सार फाइनाय लोकसभा चंबारिनो कितिंगै दालबिदाल सामुं बोतां खलाइ दंगो हास्तेनि कुचुको समारक आबो हाइकेनो लोकसभा चंबारिनो कितिंगै वेस्ट त्रिपुरा लोकसभानि रिटार्निंग अफिसारनि साक्थार मुंबाय ChasaloAgartala टाउन हलनागो इलेक्शननि माइक्रो अब्जार्भार्स रकन'त्विoi खलाइजाखा KaisaTranning Panda मानजाखा जेनेरेल अब्जार्भार विवेक एल बिमान सार आबोनि याग्लो पान्दाओ कक्सानानि थांगै लोकसभा चंबारिओ माइक्रो अब्जार्भार्सनि रोल बस कतर आबो रकन'त्विoi सावि खनारखा जेनेरेल अब्जार्भार विवेक एल बिमान सार
First of all, let me start by asking, is there anybody who is like Group D? Group D का तो कोई बंदा नहीं है यहाँ पे. So micro observers have to be Group C and above. ठीक है? So ADM साहब, please take a note. And if we have any Group D employees, they can be taken out of the main database. The role of micro observers is very important, as you must have, आप लोगों ने कईयों ने duty already, you must have done some duty of micro observers. How many have you done? A few. So I can see at least 90% people have already done a duty of micro observer before. So you are already aware of the importance of this duty, the poll process. So you are aware कि poll कैसे होएगा, कितने poll officials कौन-कौन हैं, हर एक official का क्या काम है, what is every official supposed to do. So you are on the deemed deputation to Election Commission of India, and you are going to report directly to your general observer. You are not going to report to the RO. You are not going to report to the DEO. I hope that is clear. Right? So you are under 100% supervision and administrative control of the general observer. So आप में से कुछ general observer, I believe, यहाँ पे रहेंगे त्रिपुरा वेस्ट में, इस जहाँ पे जो हमारी ACs हैं, कुछ will be deployed outside the district also. Some of you might be going to Sipahi Jila, some of you will be going to Gomti, or some might even go to South District. So, for example, my ACs, I am concerned with Sipahi Jila. My ACs will be Sipahi Jila, Gomti and South. So, the micro observers who will be deployed in West Tripura ACs, assembly constituencies, they will be reporting to General Observer Sir, who's also sitting here with us. The rest of you who are going to these three districts will be reporting directly to me.
Rajakhor Aguli Nishimi Pranap Nikokthum, Chini Khorang.